Hello, everybody. As we like to do every week, we'd like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then, of course, bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Well, I've sounded like a broken record for the last few months as this thing has been on a rocket ride up. But if you're around Friday, there was a huge move in the market, 3, 4, 5% move, and depending on what indices you're in. This is the SPY where we always start, the S&P 500, and you can see what happens when there's big sell-offs and people freak out. Volatility spikes. It was basically down here on average for quite a while, and now it spiked all the way back up to 48. So this is the SPY, but the one that really took a big move was the NASDAQ. I mean, look at this move. I think this was a 5% move by itself just on Friday. And because of that, look at this volatility up to the moon, up at 80. As you know, we love volatility as volatility-based traders. So this is definitely looking like where we're going to be looking to make a trade in the QQQ. But let's first stop off at the IWM, which is the Russell Small Caps. Similar story, big drop on Friday, big spike in volatility, but not nearly as much as the NASDAQ. So if we're going to get into an index, and two of them are about the same in the high 40s, but the one, the NASDAQ, is way up here at 80. This is where we're going to be looking to make our trade. So let's go to a trade page. We're going to go right here to 40 days, which will be 39 days tomorrow. And the reason we're going into this one as opposed to this one, which might be 46, which might be closer to 45, is because when things get super volatile, what happens is the bid-ask spread or the liquidity dries up a little bit. These things get wider. So you're going to get the best liquidity always in the monthly expiration cycles. So even though the QQQ is highly traded, these are going to be a lot less liquid than these come tomorrow. So I'm going to go right to the monthly expiration cycle because of that. Strictly because of liquidity and the bid-ask spread will be a lot better. So I've already set this up for us. Let's go over here. Where are we at? So what I've done here is the stock is essentially 705. I've gone $55 up on the call side. I've gone $55 down on the put side. Then I'm going to make a $5 wide iron condor because the strikes are all dollars to $5 wide. I can't do a $2 wide iron condor. But when I do $5 wide, all I have to do is multiply everything by 5. So if you remember, I'm always looking to get 33 cents per $1 width of strikes. But because this is $5 wide, I'm going to multiply my minimum times 33, which means the minimum I'm looking for on this trade is $1.65. It's $5 wide, 33 cents is the minimum, $5 width. Right now, if you look at it, I'm going to make it, but again, that'll be decided tomorrow. If everything stays the same and we start here and we go up 55 and down 55 and we collect at least $1.65 or more on this trade, that is going to be our trade in QQQ or the NASDAQ for tomorrow. Hey everyone, I'm a big believer in the old Chinese proverb of give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. And what does that mean in this instance? It means I'm not looking to give you a trade or two. I'm looking to teach you to trade so you can do this on your own and generate your own income for a lifetime. The way I look at it is this is where you all are, and this is where you want to be. And in between is a huge gap of expense, experience, time, etc. But what I'm looking to do is shorten that by building you this bridge. And how do we do that? For anyone who wants clean, simple, reliable guidance, I created the Essential Income System. You get the benefit of a structured, research-backed, experienced trader like myself, and all you need to do is follow along. And no, these aren't make-believe trades. These are fully formed trades that I'm actually doing myself in real time and sending to you in real time that are ready to execute. You don't have to guess, you don't have to stress, you just plug right into a system that works. And for those interested in not just copying trades, but actually gaining the confidence to create, make, and manage your own trades, I've created the Pro Trader Academy. It's not just alerts and it's not just courses. It's a complete trading system designed to take you from beginner to intermediate to advanced to consistent. What you need is a structured system, not scattered information. The Pro Trader Academy includes the Essential Income System, but it also includes every course I've ever made, along with every course I will make in the future, plus webinars, plus potential office hours, etc. This is valued at over $2,000. Now, normally the Essential Income System is $49 a month, and the Pro Trader Academy is $99 a month. But good news, because you showed up here today, you're in luck. You can get the Essential Income System for only $1 for the first month, or you can get the Pro Trader Academy for only $19 for the first month by going to sharpertrades.com and using either one of these coupons. So, again, go to Sharper Trades or use the attached links. Again, there's no risk. You can cancel anytime. Give them a try. Make sure they are for you. And I look forward to having you join me on your journey to financial freedom. Hope to see you there.